Welcome to my Ninja BN801 review, the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system. With Auto IQ packs a punch with 1400 peak watts and 5 versatile functions. You'll love how the Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending with preset programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for whipping up big batches, while the 64-ounce processor bowl handles chopping and dough making with ease. For smoothies on the go, you get two 24-ounce cups with spout lids. The stainless steel blades crush ice effortlessly for silky drinks. When it's time to cook, the food processor attachment chops veggies in seconds. You can even knead up to 2 pounds of dough quickly. You'll love how the Ninja's total crushing blades pulverize ice into snow-like consistency. These stainless steel blades are a game changer for your frozen drinks and smoothies. With 1400 peak watts of power, you can quickly transform rock-hard ice cubes into a fluffy, slushy texture. The blade's unique design and powerful motor work together to create vortex action. This pulls ingredients down for thorough blending. No more chunks of ice or fruit stuck at the top of your pitcher. Crushed ice opens up a world of possibilities. Make restaurant-quality frozen margaritas or frosty milkshakes at home. Blend up perfectly smooth fruit slushies for the kids on hot days. The 72-ounce pitcher lets you make big batches for parties too. Say goodbye to guesswork when whipping up your favorite smoothies and frozen treats. The Ninja BN801's Auto IQ technology takes care of the hard work for you. With 5 preset programs, you can create perfect smoothies, frozen drinks, and more at the touch of a button. These smart programs combine time, pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to achieve ideal consistency every time. Honestly, you'll love how easy it is to get professional quality results without any fuss. The Auto IQ feature is especially handy when you're in a rush or multitasking in the kitchen. Just add your ingredients, select a program, and let the blender do its thing while you focus on other tasks. If you like convenience, then you'll love the convenience of whipping up personal-sized smoothies in a flash. The system comes with two 24-ounce cups, perfect for crafting individual portions. These cups aren't just for show, they're designed with practicality in mind. Each one comes with a spout lid, so you can blend and go without any fuss. No need to dirty extra containers or worry about spills on your commute. The Pro Extractor Blades assembly works its magic in these cups too. It'll pulverize tough ingredients like seeds and stems, ensuring you get a smooth drink packed with nutrients. Just pop on the blades, blend, and swap them for the spout lid when you're done. Let's be honest, kneading dough by hand can be a real workout. With the Ninja system, you'll save time and energy because the dough blade and powerful motor work together to mix ingredients quickly and evenly. You can whip up 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Whether you're making pizza, bread, or cookies, the 8-cup processor bowl gives you plenty of room to work. The Auto IQ program takes the guesswork out of dough making. Just add your ingredients, push a button, and let the machine do its thing. No more sticky hands or flour-covered countertops. Cleanup is a breeze too. The bowl, blade, and lid are all dishwasher safe. You'll love the generous size of the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen systems containers. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for whipping up big batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for the whole crew. With 64 ounces of usable liquid capacity, you can easily blend enough for multiple servings in one go. No more making individual portions, just toss everything in and blend away. The 8-cup processor bowl also gives you plenty of room for chopping veggies, mixing dough, or prepping ingredients for family meals. Whether you're hosting a party or just feeding a hungry household, this kitchen powerhouse has you covered with its jumbo-sized capacity. Now for the pros and cons of the Ninja BN801, versatile 5-in-1 functionality, powerful 1,400 watt motor crushes ice like a champ. Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending. Large 72 Oz pitcher, perfect for family-sized batches. Includes on-the-go cups for convenience. Food processor attachment handles chopping and dough making. bulky size may take up significant counter space. Can be loud during operation, multiple parts to clean and store. Maybe overkill for casual users. Folks who've picked up this Ninja kitchen system seem pretty stoked overall in their Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system with Auto IQ reviews. You'll find plenty of love for its versatility. It's not just a blender, but a food processor and dough mixer too. Users rave about how it whips up smooth smoothies in seconds and crushes ice like a champ. The Auto IQ feature gets a lot of thumbs up for taking the guesswork out of blending. Some say it's a bit on the loud side, but that's kind of expected with a 1,400 watt powerhouse. The multiple containers are a hit, especially the to-go cups for quick smoothies on busy mornings. A few users mention it takes up some counter space, but most feel it's worth it for all the functions it offers. This Ninja kitchen system packs a punch with its 1,400 watt motor and versatile attachments. You'll appreciate how the Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, chopping, and dough making. The powerful motor effortlessly crushes ice and frozen ingredients for silky smoothies in the 72-ounce pitcher. When you need to prep veggies or whip up dough, the 64O's processor bowl has you covered. The included to-go cups are perfect for making individual portions to take on the go. While it's a bit bulky to store, the Ninja BN801's multifunctionality more than makes up for it by replacing several appliances in your kitchen. If you're looking for a do-it-all kitchen companion that can handle a variety of tasks with ease, this Ninja BN801 is worth considering.